This is day 3 in the Big Brother house.
Hello?
I said this is day 3 in the Big Brother house. As you can see, there's still a lot of mess. But this is the bedroom. That is now clear-ish. We go through to the master bed. See, no cabinets. Still a little bit of work to do there. Back down the stairs. The ground floor bedroom. It's now almost clear. Certainly clear of bottles, no cabinets. Go into the living room, which probably looks a big mess, but it's getting there. Kitchen is disgusting. Not usable at all. And the same with the bathroom. We have freshly plastered, painted, new flooring in the hallway, carpet going up the stairs. As we turn left, this is the main room, new bay window, new flooring, colour on the feature wall for the chimney breast, new radiators. And again, same flooring throughout, just to give that effect of larger rooms. New radiator, new window. If we look under the stairs, carpeted under there, all the bottles have gone. Go into the pièce de la résistance. The kitchen, so we've got tile effect flooring, all new kitchen unit, space for the dishwasher and washing machine, LED lights, kitchen from magnet with soft close doors, chrome sockets. A nice oven in there. If I take you out through the back door, pressure wash the steps, and there we have some off-road parking at the bottom. Go into the bathroom. You've got wall panels from Wolseley, courtesy of LNPG. Got a new toilet, sink, and bath, shower. And again, we've got the LED lights in here as well, just give a nice spacious feel to it. New frosted glass windows. Oh, and we had a new front door as well. Into room 1. This is the master bedroom, new master bedroom. Got a nice cupboard in the corner. If you remember, we couldn't get into here before. This is our view out onto the garden with the new driveway. Brand new Worcester boiler. Let's go with the new radiators. Here we split the rooms. So this is part one of what used to be the master bedroom. Again, feature wall, big enough for a double bed. View out onto the street and across to the castle. And this is the office room or the nursery room, which is room number 3. Again, little feature wall there. And there we have it. That is a project Romeo done.